Guys, welcome back. Today we're in a 2019 Seat Leon 1.5 TSI FR. As the badge says, we're doing a interior review of the car just to show you around some of the instrument panels, the cockpit, and just various bits and bobs in the car. Let's get the key into the ignition and get started. The first thing, as you notice, guys, is the virtual cockpit, which I think just looks very nice and simple, nothing too complicated. Steering wheel, lovely red stitching around the steering wheel. We got a selection through the mode selector, little wheel there. We've got a volume control wheel there. Just on the little indicator, we've got the cruise control set plus and minus for increasing the speed or reducing the speed. On the right door, we have the unlock function and lock function for the doors, so you can lock the doors, unlock all the doors inside the cabin. We've got the automatic windows, and we've got the adjustable side mirrors there, and this one is to lock all the windows so nobody can unlock their windows. And moving on to the middle section, we've got the automatic handbrake. Some people like these, some people don't. I'm personally a fan of these. I think they're quite neat, easy to use. Foot on the handbrake, press, and that releases the handbrake. Again, nice little red stitching there, nice handbrake, nice chrome outline here, gives the car a nice finish. And this middle section here, which again, first thing, it's touchscreen, which I think is brilliant. You can just select what you want there. You've got the settings, you've got the menu, you've got information. You can select the Android unit, Apple CarPlay or Mirror. You can select your driving styles from there. You get the power function there. And then moving on to this section here, you've got AC unit there. You've got your heated seats function there, whether it's on full power, medium or low power, or off. You've got your adjustable heaters there. The dashboard itself, it's a nice quality. It's not a cheap plastic, very nice. Cabin itself is not too big. It's a nice place to be. Seats, I'm a really big fan of. They're very comfortable, nice and thick. Nice headrests, plenty of space in the back, and a nice boot in the back as well. We've got some cup holders there. We've got some extra storage facility there. We've got an armrest with more space in there. We've got some space there to put your mobile phones and bits and bobs. We've got another section, storage unit just there to store bits and bobs. You've got your side panels as normal. I'm quite impressed. It's a very nice place to be. Guys, I will be taking this car for a test drive with my GoPro sometime in the next week. So stay tuned for that, guys. And like I said, this is a 2019 Seat Leon 1.5 TSI FR, and this car will be going for a test drive with me next week. Stay tuned for that. Like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.